Yeah, this is the presentation from the Cyberworld on the idea of multi-purpose live streaming application. Yes, for multi-purpose live stream application, it is multi-purpose. It has got lots of features, as you can see, or as you can see in the name. It is basically for live streaming, messaging, video calling, and it can be used in PlayStations, mobile phones, Android smartphones, tablets, and personal computers. Then we develop it using programs like JavaScript, Python, and other. Then it can gather data and metadata. It can also run via browser, web consoles, and the application is highly sustainable with low battery and data usage. It is highly secure, and as well it can be with the signal messaging for phone verification. Yes, the application and the code can help other developers that this is purposely for the future use. In the future, other developers and in engineers, it can help in developing other applications. Then with its feature, the multi-purpose live stream application for video call messaging is perfect for keeping loved ones, friends together. It's very user-friendly. Yes, while offering variety of what? Variety of uses. And its VPN feature can help in maintaining the security while the user is applying it. I think, yes, there can be something like a demo. Michael can. So, yeah, that was our presentation. Thank you.
All right. Any questions, judges?
So I don't understand the demonstration. Could you please tell about your demonstration? What exactly? How do you demonstrate it?
We got a live streaming viewer for every person who stream in Ant Media. They can view the streaming in the application.
But I didn't see an actual stream. So what I saw was the user experience.
Yeah,
configuring the stream, configuring the server.
Yeah, but earlier
but the
UI, when you click the videos, it will play it.
So that's more of a restream functionality.
It
of
will
existing
play
video
all the
assets?
videos. Yeah.
Got it. And then what do you mean when you say upload and download?
No, it's only live streaming. The upload download is a VPN. It's a different application, separated application. Because we uploaded the three applications, live streaming, and we got the VPN, and also we got the viewer.
I didn't get the live streaming part. Like, it was restreaming what you demonstrated. Like, do you have a camera that records and streams live?
Yes, the live one, it will show the live footage of the video of the person who is taking the live stream. It will show the content in the application. It will show. It's like a platform for showing the application.
How's this unique from anything else out there?
It's a simple app. It's a very low code and efficient app. Doesn't much use battery, and it's a very nice UI. Simple UI. It doesn't have
Thank
much
you very
take.
much, guys.